Okay guys, this is Onimus again. It's already 2:35 in the afternoon here in the Philippines. So you already know me. If you're watching my video, I want to do this fast, quick and easy. So let's go start and do our thing. The title of my tutorial is, okay guys, this is the title of my tutorial. Unang tutorial, how to use R4 multi-room Supreme fast and easy. Y Republica. Okay, let's start. So first, open the program. Okay, let's open it. Okay, open that. Let's wait. Okay. Checking for update. Let's just wait. Then it opens. Getting some servers, some good servers. Okay, good servers is this 35 good servers. So good servers. So use this. Load the boats. Click here. Load it. Okay. Example, I'm using Go. Load it. Then this is the bots you want to. There is bots you want to sign in. Okay. Example, I will sign in just 4. Okay. Login bots. Okay. It will log in 4 bots. Now from bots, go to spam room message. Okay. Type in the room. Luzon. Actually, with this room locker, guys, you can change the room of the bots. It's not just like some room locker. It will they can only lock one room when you log in the bots in a room locker. This is different. Okay, this one 5 2, then change it. This one 6. Okay, 2. Then go back again to bots control stats from rooms main supreme bot control stats. Then click join bots. See, pop up the captcha B2 PD1 SY. Click in, enter, and there you see. Let's wait. Let's see it. It's going. There it goes. There. That's the bots. Okay. See? Left. Okay. Now, to do it, you can. Okay. Okay. Join bots again. 242 RBN 5B. Enter captcha, then it goes in. Let's just see if it goes there. See, safety collect. See? Now let's go for Luzon 6. Okay, a different room using same locker. We go to a different room. A3 AB 88. Then it's Insignia. You see Nicolette, that's my bots. See there. You see, guys, you can log in 50 bots in here. You may log in 10 different rooms. 10 bots equivalent to 50. Example, Luzon 1, 10, Luzon 2, 3, 4, 5. 10, 10, 10, 10. And you may log in, you may put bots in a same room, 25 bots, 50. Just wait for another 2 to 3 minutes for you to be not capture man. Okay guys, this is Onimus signing out. I love you guys. I love you. Signing out in YouTube. Bye.